fluorescent orange. It came from Amazon, and actually the store is Fine Art Store. Because I'm not sure about this Samsung microphone. I feel like it could be better. So I have two that I'll be testing out from Amazon. And if I actually like them and think that they're worth buying, I'll actually share a link or something like that. So what we got inside, we got a cable, and then this. So we got this, should open up and have two mics in here, and then a receiver, I think, for the actual phone. Working or not. So let's put this here. Then this other piece, kind of rattly, wireless lavalier microphone. It's pretty basic, pretty straightforward. All right, how to use. Step 1, plug the receiver into the smartphone. Scan the QR code to get video or other support. I don't know if I need all that. When the smartphone's battery is low, you can charge it. Okay, that's why there's an opening here. So I'm able to charge the phone while still keeping this plugged in. I got it. On the actual mic, there's a power button. So it says press and hold the power button for 3 seconds, and the transmitter will automatically pair with the receiver after powering on. Let's give it a whirl, shall we? Plugging in this receiver here, and it has a indicator light, LED kind of thing on there. Okay. And it's flashing, and now both the receiver and the mic have a white light, and it's not flashing anymore. So how do I sound? That's the question. Does it sound different? You guys let me know, okay? So I'm gonna like stop the video probably and just see if I can tell a difference in the sound. So I'll be right back, okay? Yeah, I don't know. The Samsung mic, the phone mic, was not as muffled, but there was still something about it that I didn't like, kind of a tin can sound. I'm not even sure if that's a thing. But now I'm gonna go ahead and try out the other mic and see if it's different from this mic in any way. Let me just introduce this to you because I think we'll probably lose the sound on it. Same situation, we got two mics and a receiver that you can plug into either like a iPhone or USB-C. All right, so gotta plug this in. Okay, green light flashing. Green. Okay, all right, so I got it turned on. And how do I sound? That is the question. Does this sound better than the first mic? You guys let me know. I'm also gonna stop this video in just a second and test out or compare and contrast the two mics and the sound. And then whichever one sounds better, we're gonna test it out in the wind, in the windy outdoors, and see if there's any noise canceling action going on. Okay, I'm gonna stop this video and we'll be right back, guys. Okay? All right, bye-bye. Okay, so this is me without any microphone. I'm back without a mic. So that second one, I'm not sure if I like it. So I thought the thing was broken, but it wasn't broken. So as soon as I unplugged this and I played back the video, then I heard sound. While I had this plugged in and I tried to press play on the video, there was like no sound. So, but that wasn't the first one, so that was a little confusing. I thought I had to like try to play around with the pairing and turn it on and off again, but that wasn't the case. I did have a chance to hear both sounds. I am not sure if I like either of them. I added one of these, and I'm gonna go outside and show you guys how I prep a reference photo. Let's go. Hi, Aaliyah the Gardenist here, and today I just want to show you guys how I prep my reference photo that I've printed off from the computer and how I prep it to get it ready for painting. It's windy out here. I wonder how my mic is doing because it's super windy right now. Just a big old gust of wind just came by. Okie dokie. Okay. So today I'm basically going to be showing you guys how I prep a reference photo for painting. I use grid lines on my reference photo. So we are just testing out this mic. This is my favorite one, the one on your right here. It is the winner of this mic competition. So both of these mics are in the same price range. This is the clearest one. Let's see how far away I can get and still have a clear sound. I think it does a pretty good job of keeping the wind removed from the background noise. Okay, so how is the sound? From over here, as you can see, we got a lot of wind. What do you think? Ignore the plane. Well, if you can hear the plane, if you can't hear it, that's good. If you can, then we know we got an issue. Or is it a helicopter? I don't know. It's noisy. All right, let's see if I can go even further away. Okay. I'm way over here. Okay. So it's pretty good. I'm pretty far away. I'm good 30, 40 feet away from where I was standing. Okay, so that is a wrap for this video. This mic is the winner of this competition. If this is a mic that's in your price range and you want to test it out, I will leave a link in my description box, but this is not in any way affiliated with Amazon. I'm not getting any type of commission at this point, but I'd love to in the future. So I'm trying to grow this channel, and if you find this kind of content helpful, useful, then please do share, like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, guys, see you later.